Wild animals. Do you know which animal is this? Yep, correct. That's a deer. What is the sound of a deer called? Bellow. Say it with me. Bellow. Do you know which animal is this? Yep, correct. That's a squirrel. What is the sound of a squirrel called? Squeak. Say it with me. Squeak. Do you know which animal is this? Yep, correct. That's a monkey. Is the sound of a monkey called? Screech. Say it with me. Screech. Do you know which animal is this? Yep, correct. That's a gorilla. What is the sound of a gorilla called? Grunt. Say it with me. Grunt. Do you know which animal is this? Yep, correct. That's an elephant. What is the sound of an elephant called? Trumpet. Say it with me. Trumpet. Do you know which animal is this? Yep, correct. That's a lion. What is the sound of a lion called? Roar. Say it with me. Roar. Do you know which animal is this? Yep, correct. That's a giraffe. What is the sound of a giraffe called? Hum. Say it with me. Hum. Do you know which animal is this? Yep, correct. That's a tiger. What is the sound of a tiger called? Growl. Say it with me. Growl. Do you know which animal is this? Yep, correct. That's a wolf. What is the sound of a wolf called? Howl. Say it with me. Howl. Do you know which animal is this? Yep, correct. That's a rhinoceros. What is the sound of a rhinoceros called? Bellow. Say it with me. Bellow. Do you know which animal is this? Yep, correct. That's a zebra. What is the sound of a zebra called? Bray. Say it with me. Bray. Do you know which animal is this? Yep, correct. That's a cheetah. What is the sound of a cheetah called? Growl. Say it with me. Growl. Do you know which animal is this? Yep, correct. That's a kangaroo. What is the sound of a kangaroo called? Yipe. Say it with me. Yipe. Do you know which animal is this? Yep, correct. That's a bear. What is the sound of a bear called? Growl. Say it with me. Growl. Do you know which animal is this? Yep, correct. That's a raccoon. What is the sound of a raccoon called? Trill. Say it with me. Trill. having fun, then make sure to click that big red subscribe button so that we can keep the fun going. Toodles!